morning class first. So I hope you have all completed chapter number 4 in your copy and some exercise in your book. Today we will start chapter number 4 from English grammar book. So open your English second copy and write today's date, and your chapter number is lesson 4 and name of the chapter is more about action word. You have already know about the action words. So what are action words? Action words are doing words. Okay, so or we can say work, whatever the work is going on, and the words which are showing the work are called, or which are showing the action are called action words. So write again, all activity words are action words. What? Action words. Or what we can say, doing, doing, doing words. Exact, right? Or we can write words that tell us what they tell us, what is happening, what is going on, happening right right now, are what? Action or doing words. So I will write only action words. So after writing is draw a cloud in a beautiful manner. So firstly you will write my action words. What? My action words. My action words means from morning to night what do you do, that action words you will write here. First in the morning you wake up. So this is also a action word, this is also a work which you are doing. Wake up. Then brush your teeth. Then take bath. So like this you will write the words, action words, the work which you do in whole day. Okay, this is your work, you will do yourself. Understand? You can write more than 10 also. After taking bath, take breakfast, then going school. Then what to do? Reading, writing, playing in school, these are also action words. Then returning from the school, then taking rest, this is also action word. So like this, from wake up to sleep you will write all the action words. Here in book on page number 28 from chapter number 4 you will read the chapter and write all action words in book. No need to write this work in copy. Whatever the work you are doing in book, it doesn't mean it will not come in your exam. So you have to prepare all the thing for your next exam. Next exercise from page number 29. This you will do in your book. Okay, so the girl is skipping. Like this you will write some sentences. The old man is walking. What is the action word? Walking. Next, this a boy is, here also you can write a boy is reading. Another boy is sleeping. A man is watering the plant. Okay, so write sentences. So this is your next exercise. This is the Manu's daily routine. Like this you will write my daily routine. This you will do in your copy. My, after writing this work, see here my action word, what you will do? My daily routine. Routine spelling is this ROUTINE. Like this. Make a clock. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11. On which time you wakes, ऐसे you will write here wake up, then goes, this start the school, studies English, takes dictation, whatever you do in school you will write here. 11 o'clock lunch, 12 o'clock listen to a story, 1 o'clock reaches home, 2 o'clock takes rest, you can say, 3 o'clock sleeps, 4 o'clock plays, and 5 o'clock takes meal. So in this clock you will draw in copy, and instead of writing Manu's daily routine you will write my daily routine. Okay everyone, so complete all the work. Firstly this work, then my action words, then 2 exercises in book, then this one is in your copy. Thank you.